bit of an update video. It's your boy Naz in the Nissan. There's Shannon and Ethan. So currently we're getting the exhaust fixed because I tried changing the exhaust, but that went to shits.
Hey, we're family friendly, don't swear.
I'll beep it out. So, a bit of updates on the crew. Andrew broke his gearbox.
Practically f***ing soup.
And I'm going to be drifting next Friday, hopefully. We are preparing the Skyline, hence the new exhaust. We've got wheels coming in today. Yeah, just waiting on the welder, chilling with the fam. Not all of them are here, but Ethan and Shannon are here. Should be good.